is called the black. But first, I'm going to tell you about the mini guy. He's really strong. So, Mini. So his name is, I don't know yet. So I'm going to think about it right now. How about Witter? I'll call it Witter. His name is Witter, and he sucks up almost anything made out of Lego and shoots it out to his enemy with this laser cannon. I'll show you for example. You put it in, and then he shoots it out. So, this is the mini guy. This guy's really cool. So, he can go medium speed. This is how fast it goes. This is slow. I'll show you slow. Slow, and then that, and then that's slow motion. This is slow. This is slow mode. So, like this. And this is how fast it goes. It reaches almost to the bottom, and then goes slow. This is slow. Okay, so now for the highest level. I think you've been waiting for. So this is the highest level. It goes up to. This is how fast it goes when it's the highest level. That speed. Oh, look, it just struck the river. Okay, so the river can be right over here. That's how fast it goes, and that's all for the black. Oh! Oops. I can make it. Don't worry. Like this. Then this into here. Then I put this over here. I think I put this over here. Yeah, I put this over here. No need to worry. This is easy. You just do this. And then you do this. And then there. Easy. Done. So this is medium. We're supposed to put it in medium mode when it's done. So this is the black and the wither. And this is the wither connected together in here. Thank you for watching The Black.